welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Online Income. The last video I made on the Pi network, I talk about KYC and the need to complete the KYC and transfer your Pi to your Pi wallet. Now we are going to discuss about depositing your Pi to an exchange or transferring your Pi, available Pi, in your balance to an exchange. The exchange we are going to use in this video is Bitget. Bitget has been approved by Pi Core as one of the exchange that Pi will be listed. They have completed their KYB, which is know your business. So without wasting time, let's dive in. So I'll go through Pi wallet, going through the Pi browser and connect to the wallet so that we can do the transaction immediately. Let's wait for it to open. So it's opening. Okay, it has opened. Once it is open, click on the wallet. You can also do this through the Pi app. When you go to the Pi app, you click the three button at the upper corner. When you click it, you open you will see wallet, and you can go to wallet. So let's tap on the wallet here. Okay, it has opened. If you have successfully created your wallet, just input your key phrase, password, the 24-word key phrase, or if you use your fingerprint for authentication, you can also use your fingerprint. In this case, I use fingerprint. Let me authenticate and open the wallet. Okay, it's opening. Now I have a 61 Pi, and available balance here is 29.92. So what is available for me to transfer is 29. So I'm going to, as a test run, I'm going to transfer 25. I'm going to transfer 5 Pi to see how the transaction will go. Later on, I will do the remaining one before the end of before the listing date. So now we are going to click on pay/request. So I will need to go and copy the Pi contract address from my exchange, the Bitget Exchange. So let's go to Bitget and copy the contract address there. Okay, Bitget is opening. Now that is open, tap on add fund. So we are going to click on this place. If you have not done transaction with Bitget before, this is how to deposit a token or coin to Bitget. So even when you want to, even if you want to transfer fund, you have to follow this process. Now it has opened. We need to click deposit crypto. So we are going to tap here. We are going to tap here, deposit crypto. So normally, if you cannot find it here, if you cannot find your Pi, already have searched for it and it's here. But if you are opening this place for the first time, you go to search bar, you click search bar. Let me do it for the purpose of new people who don't know how to do this. So you click on the search bar here, you type pi. Now pi will come out, will be the first one to come out if it is here. We have pi network, tap on it. Now this is the contract address. We need to copy this contract address. Now we have copied the contract address. Let's go to the pi wallet. Now we are going to click the second one, manually add wallet address. So we tap on it. Now we are going to say wallet address. We're going to paste this wallet address here. The wallet address you copy from Bitget. On top of this place, you type the number of pi you want to transfer. I want to transfer 5 pi. I'm depositing 5 pi. Now that it is complete, the next thing we are going to do is to send. Click send. Okay, it says amount must be greater than 0. What is showing here? This is 5. Okay. Okay, 5 points. Let's say 5.1. Okay. Let's do it this way. So greater than 0. So let me do 0 points. Since it's saying it's not accepting 5. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, I was making mistake here. This is where we are going to type the number of pi we want to transfer. Sorry, there's a mix up. So the upper one is where this one is the fee. So I have typed 5 pi. So the fee they are charging is 0.01 pi. So let's click send. We will see the final fee. Okay, 0.01 pi is the fee. You are about to send 5 pi. Look at what they wrote. Do you recognize this pioneer? We notice that this address isn't in your wallet contact. Please be sure you know and trust the individual before transferring any pi, as transactions are not refundable. Now I will confirm it because I know who I'm sending it to. It belongs to me. So you have to be careful here before you send out your pi. Make sure you know where you are sending it to, because this pi is very, very unique and valuable. You have to hold it with jealousy. So confirm it. Let's see what happened. Transfer succeeded. Close. Good. Let's go to Bitget to confirm if the pi has been transferred. Let me go to Bitget to confirm. So we have to go back. We'll not look for, let's go to assets to check if it has come. Good. What do we have here? Do we have any pi? We'll search for it. Spot. We'll look for it here. It has not arrived. Okay, look at pi here. It has not arrived. it will come. Let's wait a little bit. Let's go back. Let's go to set pi again. Okay, this is showing us that we have 3 more days before the launch. So let's go back to our access to look for it again. Click on this place, type pi. Now finally it has arrived. You can see it here. Let me tap on it. This is the pi we transfer. Look at it, 5 pi. I have it in my Bitget. So if you're watching this video, follow the step to accomplish the process. It is easy to do. Do not miss any step. Make sure you copy the right pi address before you transfer. I use Bitget, and this is the only exchange for now that I am believing that I can access. I have checked. I cannot use OKS because it is banned in Nigeria. Why Bybit is yet to be included in the exchange that we receive pi. Binance is not included also. Other exchange might come up before the launch of the mainnet, but Bybit, OKS, they are not available for now. In the case of OKS, it's no go area because Nigeria is not it's not functioning anymore in Nigeria. The Bitget is the only one that is available for us. Other exchanges might be available also, but they are yet to be included. I believe before the listing date, others will come up. So you can see the 5 pi already. So this is how to transfer and make sure you do the right thing. So if this is your first time of coming across my channels, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive update whenever I post a new video. Also like and share this video. You can click my playlist to watch other videos. And for one more thing, what is your listing price prediction? If you have any, put it in the comment section. Let us see. If you get it right, you will get a reward for it. So if you come across this video, let's see your price prediction for the Pi network. Thank you for watching.